Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Before watching, please hit the like and subscribe. Thanks in advance.
The sun peeks through the curtains, waking up Sarah. A bright and bubbly 20-year-old. It's 7 a.m. and her phone alarm starts playing a cheerful song. Sarah stretches in bed, feeling the sunshine warm her face. First things first. She jumps out of bed, throws on her cozy slippers, and heads to the bathroom. Brushing her teeth and washing her face takes just a few minutes. Back in her room, Sarah pulls on comfortable clothes for the day, jeans and a cute t-shirt. Downstairs, the smell of coffee fills the air. Sarah smiles as she sees her mom bustling around the kitchen. A quick breakfast of toast and fruit is perfect to start her day. After helping put away the dishes, Sarah grabs her backpack filled with notebooks and a laptop. Bye, Mom. Have a good day at work, Sarah says with a wave as she heads out the door. She catches the bus to the university where she studies art. She loves being surrounded by creative people and learning new techniques for painting and drawing. At university, Sarah spends the morning in class. Today, they're learning about famous artists and sketching their portraits. Sarah concentrates hard, trying to capture the shadows and details on her paper. During lunch break, she chats with her friends and compares their artwork. Afternoons are usually free for Sarah. Sometimes she stays at the university library, researching artists or working on personal projects. Today, she decides to head to a nearby coffee shop with a friend. They order delicious lattes and pastries, chatting about their weekend plans. As evening approaches, Sarah takes the bus back home. She's a bit tired but feels happy and fulfilled. After a light dinner with her family, Sarah spends the evening relaxing. She might watch a movie, listen to music, Or call a friend to catch up.
Finally. Feeling sleepy after a busy day, Sarah gets ready for bed. She reads a few pages of her favorite book before turning off the light. With a contented sigh, she drifts off to sleep, dreaming of all the creative things she'll do tomorrow.